Point to duck. Point to a duck.
Any duck? Okay, right here.
No, at the plenum.
Oh, at the plenum?
That's a 6-inch duck.
Right.
Okay, what's the next one?
This
That's a
is the
12-inch duck, and it's kinked.
Right.
And then over here, we've got a 10-inch and a 6-inch. This is a 3-ton unit with a 16-inch return that is pretty much kinked and crimped all the way and attached to the bottom of the furnace, not getting airflow. Plus, there is a huge kink right here where that duck is just collapsed on itself. So the static pressure was what on this one, Curtis?
It was I had 1.5 of total.
1.5 total inches of static, and it was 0.8 on the return, right?
Correct.
So 0.8 on the return. All right, just kind of give you an idea kind of stuff. And plus, if you want to look at this plenum, they just took the old duckboard plenum coil, cut off the coil portion, and just masticed and taped it to the end. So we've got a good, 6 inches, 5 to 6 inches that it's not, airflow is not flowing out of that coil into the plenum. Yeah, this is really not a great install.